might not look like it, but this is easily one of the most challenging projects we've ever been on.
It's good. We just need lots of little pieces of tar paper.
All right, Jack, there's these black pieces of paper. Out of the trash can. Can you get a bunch, please?
After you get them to the level you want.
This is flared up like 3/16. I mean, I can fit 4 pieces of tar paper in there. I think we need to compress this, and that'll bring this closer. Yeah, it's in 2 directions. It's going this way, and it's going this way.
Of course, I need to see them driven before you and to hear the lamentations of the women. That is good.
You're a sicko. I like lamentations. Very, very, makes me feel very good.
Makes you feel very masculine.
Yeah.
To hear our lamenting. All right, Mark.
Dun 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 dun. This is as right as it can be done. Oh, sorry, the old lady.
No. Don't care what kind. The old lady isn't really. Alright, I think it's good.
Alright, so take your tools. Yes. That's where I would put it. We'll let this back float because no one's really going to stand on it.
And then 1 3/4 back here.
I don't think so. I think it's going to deform. I think we try and see what we get.
All right.
It's going to work. It's excruciating, but it's going to work.
Is there fertilizer or something?
There's something.
Did you poop over here? They don't have a dog, do they? No. Well, that opens the joint, and that explains the curvature. Groove. Tongue. Yeah. We definitely need strips. Look at that. There's a healthy difference
We'll shim it.
here, but in the middle it's flat.
Yeah, we'll have to shim it.
So that's nice.
We'll have to follow that contour. So this isn't flat either. It's flatter.
Flatter. Like how you flatter me?
That's right.
Go ahead, flatter me.
You're hot.
Oh. Thank you.
I think we use strips, not shims. And the way we determine the strips.
Because it only needs to come to here.
Yeah, see, this is low too. There's a belly in.
Yeah, I see it. But it needs to be flat to this.
Yes. But we can follow this framing in perfection with, I don't think, any penalty. So the way to figure out the strip is to get a wood board like this.
I still think shims would work.
You're gonna taper it.
That's what we want.
We don't want it tapered.
We do.
No, we don't.
Because the gap is tapered.
We don't want it. You don't use a shim this way. Use it this way. It's gonna pitch it because the shim's tapered. I mean, what do you want from it?
But we can use shims and screw them down. And
There's still a triangle.
yeah, that's what we want.
We don't want a triangle.
This is a triangle.
It's not a triangle that's the same as a shim.
But a strip isn't going to be a triangle.
Yeah, but a strip is going to lift this up, and then we'll span a little, and we'll cut another one for here.
Oh, you want to
And-
do it in segments?
Of course.
Oh, segmented strips.
What are you doing? We're pouring concrete?
Well, you wanted a strip. A strip is a long thing. I don't know. Segments. Segments make sense.
Why I need cognitive behavioral therapy.
No, therapy. Just therapy. Or his origin story. I eat out of a bag. That's what I do.
You need it, so there's no surprise.
What?
What did you put
Why are
in
you
there?
gagging?
What did you put in there?
Salt, tahini, avocado, and chickpeas.
Oh.
I guess I cut them too short. Oh, did I cut them too short? I did.
You did.
Oh, they'll work here. So those shorty McShort shorts, that's how we'll jack them up. Might have to sand that. But if we sand it, we sand everything.
These will just wear down over time. I don't think.
What do you mean wear down?
The ridge. Most of them are down, but there's just a tiny bit here and there. And no one's going to be walking next to the house that close.
That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy.
All right, so how do we get around at our overhang, but we've got to get our overhang first?
Are you butting them at the corner?
Yeah, I think so. I think that's what we want.
A staggered butt?
I can't see it in my mind's eye. I don't know the answer.